All right, Logan, talk.
I'm talking.
Talk to us, baby. No.
Look at Aiden, Mommy.
Okay, now Aiden, talk. What language is that?
Is that Logan language?
What are you having for breakfast?
I don't know.
Turkey bacon.
Turkey bacon.
Why don't you sing your ABCs? Good
Next time what he
job.
sings.
Are you silly? Are you silly?
Yeah.
Is Logan silly?
No.
No, Logan's not silly. I think he is. Logan was just talking. Talk some more. You gonna talk some more, honey?
He's only gonna talk when you start eating that bacon.
Uh-huh. 'Cause you want some.
I do want some more friends.
Yeah.
He's talking. He's talking. He's talking.
What's he saying?
Yeah, like that. Like this. Turkey bacon.
Okay, we'll try again later to get some of your vocal stylings on the camera. Say bye-bye.
Bye.